Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to be doing watermelon nails. Watermelon nails. So I've got on 2 coats of neon fuchsia from Clean Colors. These were gifts from Nail Skills Mom. On the tips, I'm going to use Palm Down by Sinful, the neon green. For the seeds, I'll be using my black striping from the Dollar Tree from LA Colors. Whoops, let me hold it so you can see it. Okay, I've already got my juicy flesh color on. So I'm going to be going across the tips of my nails with this green for the rind. Start over here on the pink. You do it like you're doing a French manicure, and it just does not have to be perfect at all. Remember, this is the rind of the watermelon, and that is not perfect. Doesn't matter how big or thick you make it, or thin. It's all up to you. I'm not leaving enough on the brush here. This is a super, super easy design to do. Got that? Oops. Got that down. Well, it's what I'm going to go ahead and put the seeds in. Kind of in a rush this morning. I'm going to my church to work. We're doing a clothing giveaway. Clothing is free. Any Michigan watchers. So with your striping, you can use any striping brush. Whoops, just dab on little dashes for your seeds. Put them on randomly. Doesn't matter where, just make a random dash for your seeds. And we have watermelon nails. What do you think? I'm going to take this color in the striping brush from the Dollar Tree. You can find a lot of nail art products at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go across the tip of the rind with this color. Drawing a little dimension. Then I'm going to take my, my Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat. And I'm going to use this to go over it with before I do my Seche Vite. I got this off of Wish. It's a decent sized bottle. This is guaranteed not to smudge. I use this for my stamping, and it works beautifully. I'm going to put this on all my fingers. You could, don't forget to cap your nails. I'm not going to because I will be taking this off when I get home from church today. And here's my Seche Vite. I think these turned out really good. I think they are super cute. Kids would love them, little girls. I think they are super cute for summer. So now I'm going to take my fresh feet and I'm going to go over them with that to hurry and dry them down because I need to leave. Hope you enjoyed this video, my super cute watermelon nails. Please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it, whichever your opinion is. And if you haven't subscribed already, this would be the time to do so. Please click subscribe and the little bell down below. You'll get notified of all future videos. I thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.